Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we will talk about a technology that is completely transforming industrial maintenance: machine learning. If you've ever wondered how machines can learn from data to anticipate problems, optimize operations, and reduce costs, this video is for you. We will explore how machine learning works, how you can apply it in your company, and why it is key to the future of maintenance. If you're ready to dive into the world of machine learning, let's get started. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions without being explicitly programmed for each task. Unlike traditional systems which follow fixed rules, machine learning continuously improves as it receives more data. In industrial maintenance, this means that machines can learn to predict failures, optimize performance, and improve efficiency, all based on the data they receive from sensors installed on equipment. There are three main types of machine learning that are applied in industrial maintenance. Supervised. The model is trained on a set of labeled data. For example, if you have historical data indicating when a machine failed, you can train a model to predict when similar failures will occur in the future. Unsupervised. Here there are no labels in the data. The model must find hidden patterns on its own. This is useful for detecting anomalies in equipment, such as unusual behavior that may be warning signs of a failure. Reinforcement. This type of learning is based on trial and error. The model learns from the consequences of its decisions, adjusting its actions to maximize long-term performance. Each of these types of machine learning has specific applications in industrial maintenance, from predicting failures to optimizing equipment performance in real time. The machine learning process starts with data collection. Sensors in the equipment generate real-time data, such as temperature, vibration, power consumption, etc. This data is used to train a machine learning model. During training, the model learns to identify patterns in the data that precede a failure. Once trained, the model can predict when a failure is likely to occur based on current machine conditions. The more data the model receives, the more accurate it becomes, meaning that predictions improve over time. Machine learning has several key applications in industrial maintenance. Some of the most important include predictive maintenance. Machine learning can analyze data in real time and predict when a machine is at risk of failure, allowing you to intervene before the problem occurs. Performance optimization. By analyzing equipment behavior, models can identify adjustments that improve operational efficiency. Anomaly detection. Machine learning can detect unusual patterns in data that could indicate impending failure or suboptimal operation. These applications enable businesses to make more informed decisions and optimize their operations in real time, resulting in greater efficiency and lower costs. Implementing machine learning in your business starts with collecting the right data. You need sensors on your equipment that capture key variables such as vibration, power consumption, and temperature. Once you have that data, you can work with specialists or use machine learning platforms to train the models. After training the model, you can integrate it into your monitoring systems to alert you when patterns are detected that indicate an impending failure or optimization opportunity. A practical example of machine learning in action is the case of a company that implemented this technology to predict failures on its production line. By using models trained on historical data from their equipment, they were able to reduce unplanned downtime by 30%, resulting in significant cost savings. This is just one example of how machine learning can transform the way you manage maintenance in your business, helping you to improve efficiency and reduce costs. If you want to learn more about how to implement machine learning in your company and improve the maintenance of your equipment, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you explore how this technology can transform your operation. Thank you for joining me for this session on machine learning. In the next session, we will talk about deep learning, an advanced branch of machine learning that is revolutionizing industrial maintenance. Don't miss it. See you in the next session.